Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for beginners. First, navigate to Canva's website or open the app. You can sign up for free using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once logged in, you'll see the home page, which is your starting point for all design projects. Take a moment to explore the various design categories available, from social media posts to presentations. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to design in just a few moments. Let's explore the Canva interface. On the home page, you'll find a prominent search bar at the top, perfect for finding specific templates or design types. To the left, a navigation panel provides quick access to your projects, shared designs, and brand kit. When you're in the editor, the left sidebar transforms into your design toolkit, offering elements, text, uploads, and more. The top bar within the editor allows you to name your design, undo changes, and access sharing or download options. Now let's create your first design. Begin by selecting a template or choosing a blank canvas. Once in the editor, you can drag and drop various elements like shapes, icons, and photos from the left sidebar directly onto your design. To customize text, simply click on a text box and type. You can change fonts, colors, and sizes using the options in the top toolbar. Experiment with different elements and colors to make your design unique, adjusting their size and position with simple clicks and drags. Finally, let's talk about saving and sharing your masterpiece. Canva automatically saves your work as you go, so you never lose progress. To download your design, click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. You can choose from formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF. You can also share your design directly to social media platforms or invite others to collaborate on your project by sharing a link. It's easy to get your creations out into the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.